Hey, how you doing today? Hope you're doing well. I'm going to be doing the core form today, and today I'm going to integrate the breath with the core form. This has been asked a number of times for me to do this, so here it is. Breathing is really important, obviously, when we are doing our forms, and because we don't want to be holding our breath when we're doing our forms. But I want to say that the way that I teach at the beginning is that I connect the breath with the movements. There's an inhale, there's an exhale, and that's connected to the actual movement. Usually the way it works is that the inhale takes place when there's a transitional move, and the exhale takes place when the actual posture is coming about. This is a great way to learn, a great way for us to embed that into our psyche and into our full body. When we are integrating the breath with the movement, it really helps us to learn. It's a great memory tool, and most importantly, it helps us to breathe, because what we don't want to be doing is holding our breath through the form. But I want to say that there is a limit to this kind of practice. As the exhale breath is usually associated with the posture, which means that would be the full, when the energy is moving through the body, the jin is moving through the body and being manifested through the body. We don't want to get to a point where the only time we can release release jin, is on an exhale. While this is very useful for beginning, eventually we want to be able to learn how to move and how to release that energy, whether we are inhaling or exhaling. Hopefully that makes sense. So the breath with the connection of breath with the form is very important to begin with. Over time, and this is probably over years, we begin to reduce that connection of the two, and we're able to, so we could really breathe on our own independently of how the form is moving along. Hopefully that makes sense. And just a word about the core form that we're going to be using as our model today. The core form was originally developed by Dr. Carl Totten, or Sifu Carl Totten. He was my original Tai Chi instructor, and he's an amazing guy. A link to his website is down below. This form is going to be slightly modified from what I learned through him. Just over the years, I've kind of taken a little bit of my own bent to it. The form is really helpful for us in many ways, and I think most importantly is Dr. Totten was able to take the 24, the 108, whatever it is, and you have the long form, the 108, then you have the short form, which is the 24, and then you have the short form, which is basically the core form. The core form is reducing all of the movements just into very simple movements. There's no walking with it, Tai Chi walking. There's no, like when we're repulsing the monkey, we're not repulsing backwards. We're just learning the static postures and how to move. And this is very, very helpful when we're first starting out, because it helps us to build those foundational postures that we need so much. It helps us to emphasize on that. Also, too, as it is so short and pithy, it allows us to, where we can really dig in and keep doing it and putting layer upon layer upon layer of different things. So anyway, that's kind of a long intro to this, but let's get into the form. And I will be I'll be talking as we go through it, giving you when the inhales and the exhales should come in. All right? Okay, so here we go. So let's go ahead and get into our starting position. We have our feet together. We have equal balance in the feet. We inhale, and then we exhale. Remember, we're in that circle. that we talk about, inhaling and exhaling. We inhale as we bring our weight into the right foot. Sink the mass down. Sink it, sink it. So bring it all into that. And then we exhale as we step out. We inhale as we bring up the hands. And then exhale as they come down. We inhale as we come to the left foot, sink the mass, and then exhale as we bring the weight into the right foot. We inhale as we step out, plant that left foot, and then we exhale as we part the wild horse's mane. We inhale as we go into our T-step, and then we roll it back and we exhale into stork spreads her wings. We inhale as the right hand falls away. We exhale as the left hand comes across. And then we inhale as we come up to this point, step out with the left, plant the foot, set it, and then we exhale as we brush knee and push step. Then we inhale as we go into that T-step again. Bring the weight back, inhale, inhale, and exhale. Then we inhale. Right hand falls away. We keep the inhale going, inhale, inhale, right to this point, and then we exhale and release. So that's a long exhale, and a long inhale, sorry. Inhale, we bury the weight into the left foot, we step out, keep the inhale going, and now we exhale into ward off. Float it up. We start to inhale as we pull back. Keep the inhale going. Touch the foot, release the back foot, exhale. Inhale, pulling back. And exhale, release. Inhale, heading all the way to the left. We grab our beak. Then we release the left foot and we exhale, going into that cat stance. Inhale, we step up, get lined up. And then exhale into single whip, facing west. Then we inhale. And we exhale as we bring that foot back. Then we start to do wave hands like clouds. Inhale, exhale. Remember, we're counting 3 times on the right hand. Inhale, there's number 2. Exhale, my weight is shifting. Here's the last one. Inhale, bring the weight back, up, and exhale, kick. Inhale, step out, and exhale, double box the temples. Inhale, bring the weight back into the left, and exhale, fair lady works the shuttles. Inhale, bring it back again, and then exhale into this cat stance. We're inhaling as we step out, get ready, and then we exhale, release from that right foot into fan through the back. Then we inhale as we draw this foot, all the pressure and weight is in that right foot, and then we're going to release, exhale, let it go. We inhale. Drop, and then exhale. Step in so we can return to Wuji. Then we inhale, whoops, and exhale. and inhale and exhale. Inhale as we pour the weight back into the right leg, and exhale. We equalize the weight. We inhale, and then we exhale as we come down to bow. Very good. So that's the breath cycle. Inhale, exhale. Hopefully that was helpful. Let's go through it a little bit more to speed. Okay, starting off in the circle. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, pour the weight into the right, and exhale. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, sink. Inhale to the left. Exhale. Inhale, step out, and exhale. Inhale, T-step, and exhale, cat stance. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, step out, and exhale, brush knee push step. We inhale, keep the inhale until we're over the foot, and then we exhale, sink it down. Good. Here's another long inhale. So we're inhaling, inhale, inhale. Keep stepping back, inhale, weight is on the right. Now we exhale, release that weight into the left. Inhale, keep inhaling as we step out. Release the right foot, exhale into Pang, ward off. Good. And inhale. Sink it, do not release, and now release. Exhale, good. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step back. Here we go. Inhale, 1. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Here comes the last one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale, exhale. Inhale, sink the mass to the right. Exhale, equalize. Inhale, bring up the hands. And exhale, straight down. And there we have it. All right. Good job, guys. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.